have seen more than a million persons eat. None can be compared to how caring and loving you are, even in your imperfection. I see someone who is perfect, all because my love for you sees the good in you. Here is a message from the depth of my heart, just to let you know that no matter how rock and talk things go, you will always own my heart. Words alone cannot paint the depth of my love for you, all because you are the most amazing person I have ever met. I love you so much, baby. Going through each day with you makes me feel better and stronger. Truly, there is no so much I will do just to let you know that you are the most amazing person I have in the world. Here is a message from the depth of my heart, just to let you know that I love you with everything I have. Here is a message from my heart to let you know that if I had 1,000 choices, I will still choose to be with you. Here is a message from my heart, just to let you know that no one can ever replace you in my heart. I love you really much, dear. The love I have for you cannot be expressed by mere words. There are so many persons in the world, yet none can be compared to how loving and caring you are. Here is a message to let you know that you are the most special person I have going through this life. Is journey with you has made me a better person, and there is nothing I would not do to keep our love moving forward. When the time comes, I want you to look at me and tell others that yes, there exists a thing that can be called true and sincere love. I hurt you really much, babe. Having a sweetheart that is as loving as you are is what makes me feel happy and strong. You have always been there for me in times that I am weak and confused. You have always been there for me in times that I need a listening ear. You have always been there for me in times that I want companionship. There is nothing that can be used in describing the kind of love you have always shown to me, and I have just one decision to make: to love you more. You are amazing, and I will always treat you like the very best that you are. I love you really much, dear. Going through each day with your love and care makes me feel happier. There is nothing that makes me smile more than the feeling I get whenever I think about how amazing and loving you are. Amongst a thousand persons, I will do always choose you. Your love in the most amazing and incredible thing that has ever happened to me, and I will love you through the best way that I can. Here is a message to assure you that you are loved beyond what words can tell you. On my wall heart, baby. Writing this message to you makes me feel so glad. Your love has turned my life into a paradise. I never dreamed of having son. No doubt that when one has true love, everything changes for good. In you, I have seen all these great things happen. There is no single night I sleep without dreaming about you. There is no morning I wake without having thoughts about you. First, before anything else, sincerely, your love is worth more than everything I have offered, and I promise to do more. You mean the whole world to me, sweetheart. I love you so much. Thanks for watching video.